It smells so good. Yep, the sushi smells good. Chicken. Right here, we have what too? Yeah. This is our vegetable seasoning. Nice. This thing smells so good. The chicken lo mein. The chicken lo mein. This is chicken. Gotta wash this. Piece of butter.